Hi, this is Tisha with Rarity Creative Co., where we focus on delivering the right message to the right market. And we do that by strategically positioning your ideas in a way that expands your influence and increases your income. We're talking about business registration designation, so let's just go right on and jump into corporations. The benefits of a corporation is that this type of business structure is recognized as a separate legal entity from its owners, known as shareholders. There's limited liability protection, meaning that a corporation that is formed is limited in its liability, and there's a protection that is afforded to its shareholders. The personal assets of the shareholders are protected from the debts and liabilities of the corporation. If the corporation is sued or faces financial difficulties, the shareholders are generally only liable for the amount of money that they've invested in the corporation. Corporations also have perpetual existence. It can exist indefinitely, even if its shareholders or directors change over time, which means that the corporation can continue to operate and pursue its goals even after the original founders or owners have passed away or left the business. There's also a different level of access to capitals. See, corporations can raise capital by selling shares of stocks to investors. This can help the corporation raise significant amounts of money to invest in the business, expand operations, or pursue new opportunities. There are tax benefits. Corporations may be able to deduct business expenses such as salaries, benefits, and equipment purchases from their taxable income. They may also be eligible for certain tax credits and deductions. Additionally, corporations may be able to retain more earnings and pay lower tax rates than other types of businesses. There's also this increased level of credibility. See, being a corporation can lend credibility to a business, making it more attractive to potential customers, partners, and investors. It can also help a business establish a strong brand identity and reputation in the marketplace. Overall, a corporation can offer many benefits, including limited liability protection, perpetual existence, access to capital, tax benefits, and credibility. But forming and operating a corporation can be more complex and expensive than other business structures, and you may be subject to more regulations and formalities. So let's talk about some of the potential cons of a corporation. As we stated, there's that complexity in the paperwork. Corporations are more complex and require more paperwork to set up and maintain compared to other business structures. You're also going to face double taxation. Unlike pass-through entities like sole proprietorships and partnerships, corporations are subject to double taxation, meaning that profits are taxed at both the corporate level and the individual level. There's a higher cost established. You're going to be looking at maintaining and establishing that corporation, and it's going to be expensive due to legal and accounting fees, as well as ongoing compliance costs. There's also more formality associated with corporations, as they are required to follow such concepts as holding regular board meetings, maintaining accurate records, and filing annual reports. You also lose some control in a corporation. It's limited. Shareholders who own a significant percentage of the company may have more control over the direction of the company, which can limit the decision-making abilities of other shareholders. And the potential for lawsuits. Corporations may be more susceptible to lawsuits due to their larger size and greater visibility. It is worth noting that not all corporations will experience these cons at the same degree, and some corporations may find that the benefits of this structure most certainly outweigh the drawbacks. So as always, we recommend that you will work with a really great consultant and some legal professionals to ensure that what you are selecting meets your needs and that you understand the full scope of both the pros and the cons. Feel free to give us a call at Rarity Creative Co. We'd be happy to help you, where we are delivering the right message to the right market, and doing so by structuring your ideas in a way that increases your influence and expands your income.